So how to withdraw money from PayPal to your bank card or to your bank account. So log into your PayPal, click on this button, transfer money, and here you can see balance. You can switch it by clicking here, for example, to USA dollars. And here we can see that if you would like to send in minutes, you'll pay €2 transfer fee and you will receive your money on your bank card. If you click on edit, you can select what card you'd like to receive money. And here is also exchange rate, what you should be aware of. So okay, this is about how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank card, and if you would like to transfer to bank account, you should select this one. In 1 free days, fees may apply. So here we can see that PayPal do not charge any fee, but fees may apply by your local bank to what you receive your money. And so select one of these options, card or bank. Make sure to check where exactly you receive them. Here, yeah, and click on transfer now, and that's it.